Hi everyone! AI video is evolving faster than ever. Just a few months ago, most generated clips looked cool, but not quite real. Physics didn't work, characters melted into the background, and camera moves felt mechanical. That's all about to change because Sora 2 is here. OpenAI's most advanced video and audio generation model yet. And you can now use it directly on getimg.ai. The first Sora was proof that AI could make moving images. Sora 2 takes it to a whole new level, creating videos that actually feel real with natural motion, emotion, and cinematic depth. And while the new Sora app lets you explore that world in a fun, social way, on getimg AI you can do much more with full creative control over style, motion, and camera work. It's where AI video stops being a demo and becomes a real creative tool. In this video, I will show you how Sora 2 transforms everything we know about AI video and makes it so different from older models. The original Sora, released in early 2024, proved that AI could simulate motion and remember objects, what we call object permanence. But Sora 2 takes that foundation and builds an actual simulation of reality. The older models faked it. If you ask for a glass falling off a table, it might float mid-air instead of shattering. Sora 2 understands the law of physics. When the glass hits the floor, it breaks. The liquid spirts, reflections shift naturally, and sound matches perfectly. It's not just generating visuals anymore, it's modeling the world. Let's test that. Prompt. Let's test that. Prompt. A ballet dancer spins in slow motion inside an abandoned theater filled with dust and golden light. The older models would lose balance or blur motion. But in Sora 2, the dust catches the light. With every turn, the dress follows gravity perfectly, and every frame feels like a real camera recording a forgotten masterpiece. Now let's push it further. Prompt. A storm hits a desert village at sunset. One man runs to save a child from collapsing walls. You can feel the sand whipping through the air, clothes moving with the wind, the camera shaking as debris falls. Every detail obeys light, physics, and emotion. It's like watching a live action drama, not an AI simulation. And when you scale it up, prompt. A medieval army marches through the snow toward a burning fortress. Task, long lens. The result is breathtaking. The torches flicker through the blizzard, armor reflects cold night, and snowflakes melt on metal. It feels like Oscar-level cinematography. Another huge leap is controllability. Sora 2 can follow multi-shot instructions, keeping the same environment, lighting, and characters across every cut. You can write prompts like wide shot of a rainy street at night, cut to close up of a woman inside a taxi, watching neon lights reflect in the window, then drone shot rising above the city. The model delivers a seamless cinematic sequence like it understands editing, not just image generation. So, Sora 2 doesn't stop at visuals. You can now generate soundscapes, speech, and sound effects, all in sync with motion. Prompt: two astronauts argue inside a damaged space station while the hull cracks and alarms echo. You hear metallic groans, radio static, and breathing through helmets. Everything feels tense and real, like a movie you could watch in theater. For the first time, text creates a complete cinematic experience, video and audio working together. And we have new Sora app that feels fresh. It's creative, social, and playful. You don't just watch, you participate. You can remix other people's video, join scenes through cameos, or reimagine moments in your own style. It's like TikTok reimagined through the lens of AI. Fast, fun, and personal. But if you want to go beyond quick clips and create meaningful cinematic work, that's where getimg AI comes in. You can use Sora 2 inside our video workspace alongside other powerful video models to create projects for film, design, education, marketing, storytelling, or art. It's the same core technology, but with more depth, precision, and creative direction. While the Sora app is built for sharing, getimg AI is built for creating. Sora 2 is more than a trend. It's a breakthrough in how AI understands the physical and emotional world. It sees movement, light, and sound as parts of a coherent reality, and that opens endless creative possibilities. On getimg AI, that power is multiplied because you are not limited to one model or one option. Filmmakers can prototype scenes. Designers can visualize campaigns. Teachers can build immersive stories. And brands can craft emotional ads that actually feel alive. So while Sora 2 makes AI video social, getimg AI makes it truly useful. It's where creative vision meets real world purpose. Sora 2 isn't just a cool demo, it's the foundation for AI that truly understands the world around us. It models motion, light, interaction, and sound in a way that feels consistent and alive. It means better tools for filmmakers, designers, teachers, and artists. It means new ways to connect with people through AI driven creativity. It's not just generating videos, it's building worlds that make sense. Sora 2 marks a turning point in AI video. It's cinematic, physically accurate, and now social. You can try it right now on our site, explore new Sora app, or see for yourself how close we are getting to true real-time world simulation. AI video is no longer just for developers or researchers. It's for everyone. So, thanks for watching. And if you want more deep dives like this, hit subscribe and let me know what prompt you want to test. Because with Sora 2, reality is now something you can create. See you next week.